Hey guys, what's up? So we're gonna head into the Apple store right now and we're gonna pick up some new AirPods for me to unbox for you guys. So let's head in. See if I can find one. It's really packed in here and loud, so I'm gonna grab the AirPods and I'll show you guys them when I get home.
Just 1 moment, folks.
Thank you. We're also thinking of picking up one of the wireless chargers, so we're gonna go check them out really quickly.
So this would be what they look like. Okay, so you can see like they're different designs, but they do the same thing.
So I just picked up the AirPods. I'm gonna head home and do a review on these for you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I just got home and I have the AirPods right here. They're still sealed up, so I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. I also picked up the black silicone case. I have this one in pink sand, but I picked it up in black because I didn't want to get the pink one stained. So I'm gonna use this one just as an everyday case. So I'm gonna jump right in and unbox the AirPods now. I'm gonna use this little knife. And this one does not have like a little pull tab, guys, so just gonna open it up the old-fashioned way. There we go. Alright, so put that over there. So it comes with the little booklet. So this is what it looks like. This is the little AirPod charging case. I'm gonna open it up right now. Let's see if they brought anything else. It also brought a lightning USB cord. I have a ton of these, but you can't have enough of these around the house. This is what the little case looks like. I'm gonna pull this tab off and open it up. Let's see, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to open this up, and this is where the AirPods charge. I'm going to take one of them out so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is kind of funny. I never thought of getting these because I feel like it kind of looks like the regular headphones and look like someone just cut the cord off. Usually when you want to use your regular headphones and charge your phone at the same time, you can't. So this is going to be very convenient to just have these in and be able to charge my phone. Once your headphone is dying, you can just pop it in here and you can let it charge for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, you'll get 3 hours of charge, which is pretty neat. I know Beats does something similar with the over-the-head earphones, but that is so cool that you can do that, and these are so tiny. So yeah, you can charge it up. I think you get about 5 hours of listening time, and with this little charging device, I think you get about 24 hours. So you can just pop them back in here and charge them up, and this will probably last about like a whole day of charge. So I'm gonna get my phone now and I'm going to pair them. I still have this really cute picture of Emmy there. So all you want to do is open this up, and I think you put it against the phone and it should pop up. Let's see. There it goes. Wow, that was super easy. So unlock to connect. Face ID. So now they're connecting, and you can do this with any device. I think you just open it up and put it near your device and it'll pair it. And as you guys can see, my AirPods are at 98%, and the little charging pod device thingy, whatever you want to call it, is at 69%. So I'm just going to click done, and they're paired. So these have 5 different settings on each headphone. One of the things that I thought was pretty neat is you can use Siri by double tapping on one side, and you can make phone calls with your phone in your pocket. You can just ask Siri to call someone and it makes phone calls for you. You can also set the play button, like play and pause, fast forward, rewind, and then you can just have the setting off on either headphone. So yeah, you can set them both up for different things, or you can have them both off. So I'll probably put Siri on one side and maybe one for like play and pause button. I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna play around with it. But yeah, guys, this is basically the new AirPods, and I love this little case. It's really lightweight too. It almost reminds me of the little charging cube for the iPad. It's almost like the same size, but it's very like, it's a lot thinner. But yeah guys, that's what the new AirPods look like. I'm gonna go charge these up and play with them for a little while. But I hope you guys enjoyed this AirPod unboxing. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.